number one aspect of high efficiency machines, washers, is the extract speed. So are we spinning at a minimum of 200 G-force up to 300 to 450 on soft mount, but that G-force really impacts your drying time, and it creates the ability to shorten your cycles by spinning it out faster, getting your drying done faster. Almost every manufacturer out there is promoting, programmable washers so that you can tailor those formulas so that you can keep your cycles the proper amount of length depending on what you're washing. And a good chemical company will know how to do that, to tailor that wash with whatever you're processing in their chemistry, to make sure that it is as efficient as possible. If you go back 10 years ago, we used to have a lot of mechanical timer machines, which were a fixed time. You press a button and it ran a specific cycle, and you couldn't modify it. Today, I don't know of really anybody that's really pushing any mechanical timer machines out there, but the ability to have a programmable machine, and then not just put it in and just let people choose what they want, but actually customizing those formulas and customizing those cycles so that they can benefit from being efficient as possible. So, who you're doing business with, and not just let them just come in and just drop the machine in and walk away, but also work with your chemical companies, or in our case, we provide chemicals. But we want to make sure that you are as efficient as possible and not overwashing things, because that will destroy those very expensive linens. It's funny, is in our industry there isn't a lot of people ask about Energy Star and how do you become Energy Star rated and et cetera. And a few of the larger capacity front loading machines in the commercial space will have Energy Star, but it's a limited amount and only a couple models. When you start getting into larger machines, those are not Energy Star. And I'm not sure exactly the requirements of what it takes to become Energy Star, but from what I understand, that because we can modify the cycles, and then we can make it, if we wanted to put a few gallons of water in it, spin it, rinse it, and call it washed, we could. Or we can make it an hour and a half long cycle because of what you're washing. Say it's oil stained out of an oil field, and you're going to need a different level of washing to get that clean. So the Energy Star label is not really available on the commercial side. It really is up to the user and what they're trying to wash and what they're trying to accomplish to be as efficient as possible.